Hello. Today we're doing about Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night. Where does Bonfire Night come from? Well, in England, which is there, that's England, which is not UK. UK comprises of Wales, France, Belgium, Ireland, somewhere there, right? And what happened was 2,000 years ago, this bloke called Guy, he sold forks. There's forks. There's loads of forks there. You can just get loads of. He sold forks, and he got pissed off with number 10 Downing Street, and so him and his mates, there's Barry, Bradbury, Horace, Ormond Street Children's Hospital, and Peter Twatversion, took loads of fireworks to number 10 Downing Street to try and blow it up. This failed, however, because Henry VIII, that's Henry VIII, because Henry VIII had his head chopped off by his wife Mary Antoinette. This is Mary Antoinette there, look. She was Queen of Germany, and so every November 5th in England we have Bonfire Night, and people get loads of bits of wood which is supposed to represent number 10 Downing Street, and then they get a fake guy who sold forks, so they call him Guy Fawks. Some forks there, look, you can see it, forks. They set it on fire, and him on fire as well, to celebrate fireworks. Fireworks come in loads and 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 loads of different styles. Some fireworks go off like a rocket, like that, whoosh. And there are people watching there. People, and they go, oh, some go, and so. But if you're crap and you're really boring and you don't go to firework exhibitions and stuff like that, then you go to a shop and you buy absolute piles of shit from a shop for about 50 quid, and these just sound like a carry bag being crunched up while somebody's going. Or they sound like two building bricks clacking together, and that's it. That's a building brick, say. Or they can sound like, I don't know, someone's slamming a door. But yeah, but they're shit. And that's only for really boring people with no imagination whatsoever. And they let them off in the gardens and stuff, and for ages and ages after Bonfire Night. Anyway, I think Guy who sold forks, he was stabbed before he could blow number 10 Downing Street up. And because Henry VIII had his head chopped off by Queen Mary Antoinette, Guy Fawks failed, because that's what he wanted to do. He wanted Henry VIII to be Pope and stuff, because Oliver Cromwell was Pope at that time, and he didn't like it. So yeah, he wanted a reformation of the Catholic Church or something like that. Build more pubs and stuff, and yeah, and so that's where fireworks come from. That's it. Next week we'll be talking about Baby Jesus, Christmas.